Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use YouTube subscriber only comments. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your YouTube studio, which is studio.youtube.com. Then sign in into your channel. Click on the content tab on the left-hand side of your screen and select a specific video. There, you want to simply click on the pencil icon, and then you're going to be taken into the video details tab. Now, inside of your video details tab, if you simply go ahead and scroll all the way down into the advanced settings tab, then you're going to see subscriber only comment. As you can see, it says who can comment on this video. It's going to be on anyone. You can simply go ahead and turn it from anyone to subscribers, and subscriber requirements also can be set, like subscribe for a day, a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, and so on and so forth. Simply go ahead and click on save, and that is gonna be it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.